What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Don. I'm back with another video. I'm about to load up the 72 Chevy Chevelle, heading down to Omar's Wheels and Tires. Follow your boy along for the custom build of the Chevelle True Muscle car. Man, about 30 people are already trying to flag me down about the car. It's not for sale yet. Wait till it's done. It will be for sale soon. Brand new style wheel. 4G. The big F. And the big F. Oh man. No, I'm gonna have to go throw it on him. Yes, sir. That's it. Look good too. The big F. Yes, sir. She has the ride. Man, I'm thinking about putting these on the C8. ECLs. These are nice. Forges, big cap, spinner caps, floaters, paint. The yellow paint matching. Man, he got the biggest showroom floor I ever seen. Damn, Omar's Tires and Wheels. I would get this wheel for the Rapid Blue C8, but a little bit too plain. All these for C8s. Big dually wheels. Man, this here gotta be a size 34. 40 inches. Got that roll gold thing right here. Yeah, I think this the best looking wheel for the CA. Got the rose gold CA wheels. This one here would be a nice wheel for the CA, but just don't have the floater cap for it. So, if I get this wheel right here, I have to get all this stuff painted to match my car. Yeah, man, he got all the wheels in stock. These joints here got the purple floater cap. All these wheels are in stock, ready to go. Come shop with Omar Wheels and Tires. Dallas, Texas, man. I just never seen so many wheels in stock in my life. Ooh, this joint clean, boy. Chrome with the matching Forgiato sign. That's your benzo wheel. That man got wheels jumping out the ceiling up here, man. Yeah, that's a 26 by 10. God. Man, it's a big old 30. 30 inches off the ground. And that's a big whip. Look at this gold thing right here, boy. It's a 30 inches. Man, this man got wheels for days. A lot of dust on these motherfuckers too. Over on this side, you're gonna get into your truck tires, your truck wheels, your dually trucks, your Chevy trucks. American Forces. Big 26-inch game. Your black with your chrome. And man, this man got wheels for days. I ain't never seen nobody with so many wheels. I know his house made. Big 28-inch. American Forces. So he got American Forces. Yeah, I like the red game right here. Yes, sir. Clean. Check some of these floaters here. They say you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. Man, I always wanted a pair of these wheels. Yeah, big floaters. You float too? Yeah, you had some of them on the cutty. Man. Yes, sir. All these are floater wheels, man. Get your float on. Float on, man. Float on. Rock the baby to sleep. Rock about baby, rock to sleep. Man, this whole wreck spinning. Yeah, there's these dual smackers. The Bellagio's. And them Devons. And last but not least, get your smoke on. The marijuana leaf. Never been seen in history. Dub rockers.
So everything.
I ain't never seen those, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't never seen those.
I had to reorder these, bro, because I did a set of these on the Maserati.
Hey, y'all know we had to come down here to Omar's. Get the wheels test fitted. Try to get it off the trailer here in a second. Yeah, she should come right off. Man, that's a nice truck. I need more than 40. I found this Chevelle. I couldn't do it, so I had to bring it to them. Almost. Yes, sir. 40. I want y'all to stay tuned for this video. It's a lot coming along with this video right here. On the Chevelle, man. On the Chevelle. Loaded on the trailer. Big Forza gang. Left leg gang. Shout out to Omar Tires and Wheels. Got your boy mounted up. Loaded on the trailer. About to ride out, man. Stay tuned for the Chevelle. And we out of here. How this Chevelle look though? How this Chevelle gang look? Yeah. Alright, my left lane gang crew, we done made it back to the storage house. And man, she is sitting lovely. Look at the squat. Yes, sir, the squat game is crazy. Yes, sir, she is sitting pretty. Chevelle. Man, y'all know about the C10 already. Man, that thing got a flat tire. I ran over a nail a couple of months ago. Got a slow leak. I'll fix it tomorrow. Maybe put footage on it. See this the little seal right here. We'll put the bead in. Probably leaking air right here. But y'all see the Chevelle, man. She tucking on 24 Forgiatos, real nice with the matching steering wheel.